and welcome back to my channel and YouTube Diaries. For those who have liked, subscribed, commented and shared, I thank you so much for encouraging me to make more videos just like this one. In today's video, I'm going to be making a carrot cake. And this is a very healthy carrot cake because I'm not going to use any sugar in this recipe. But I hear you ask, what is a cake without any sugar? Well, I am going to use the ingredient which is the most healthiest in this cake. And that is honey. It is really good for health. As well as oatmeal, because I'm going to add a little oatmeal for that crunch and the taste, Also, carrots release a lot of fiber, vitamin K, and it is a great antioxidant. So, let's start baking. So for the ingredients, we have 1.5 cup of ground oats, 1 cup of grated carrots, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, a handful of raisins, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and to top it off, a few drops of vanilla essence for taste. So first, we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients together. After that, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Finally, we're gonna put them both and mix them as well. Also, I've cracked the eggs into a bowl for whisking. I have already whisked the eggs. I'm gonna put the curd in, and then after, we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients in as well. So just be nice and slow. Make sure it all gets in. Now, the melted butter, just pour it in. Like that, yeah. And the honey, the healthiest ingredient. Just get all that honey in. Now we're gonna mix it. So I'm gonna mix it and make sure you get all the ingredients together. So don't leave out a single ingredient. We have the wet mix ready, and now we're going to add the carrot into the wet mix. We're going to just put all the carrot in, and after that, give it a good stir. So just get all of that in, Oops. Now that I finished the wet mix, I'm just going to move it aside and focus on the dry mix. For this, we need baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon. So we're just gonna put that in there, into the ground oatmeal. Also with this, and the cinnamon. So just lightly mix it. And now that I have both the dry mix and the wet mix ready, I am gonna put the dry mix into the wet mix. Just gonna pour that in there, the dry mix. So you have to mix it very nicely, gently and slowly. So now we're gonna mix it well. Now that I have my mix ready, I'm gonna add some raisins and vanilla essence for taste. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And just a few drops of vanilla essence for taste. Just a little bit, that's enough, yeah. Maybe a little bit more, yeah. Now I've added that. That is the last of our ingredients, so I'm just gonna mix that nicely. Now that I have my mix into the tray, I'm gonna put it into my cooking buddy at 300 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. You may adjust the timing according to your oven. Now I've put this in the oven, I'm gonna go watch my favorite cartoon and take a short break. I'll be back after 15 minutes, so hurry up. So now I took my carrot cake out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. And I have some melted chocolate to decorate it with. I love chocolate, so I thought, why not? But if you are elderly and you are diet conscious, then you could just top it off with some honey or cream cheese. Now it's tasting time. Mmm. Yeah, yummy. This is delicious. We've come to an end of today's video, and I hope you have been cooking this with me. And if you haven't, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Till then, signing off, and YouTube Diary.